I came out of my room. This is my DSLR camera. Yeah, actually it's a iPhone 8. iPhone 8 is a good video camera in daylight conditions. You can see, yeah, it's nice, and we can shoot 4K. It's time to go to the gym. Oh yes.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling.
Okay, I'm coming back to home. Today I want to introduce a good extension for VS Code. It's called Thunder Client. You can see this. Using this you can test REST API calls. No need to install another application for it. So after you install it, you can see that Thunder icon on left sidebar. Just click it. You can see new request. Just click it and paste what you want to test, that API call URL, then send it. Okay, you can see the result on right side. Yeah, you can see you can select any method and also headers, auth and body, those things, and format as JSON, XML or text, and you can create collections. Also you can try this Tabnine AI autocomplete extension. Really useful, one of the greatest extension for VS Code. Try it.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain.